Ladies and gentlemen and programmers, we're having an issue with Doomcraft, and let's figure out if we can get to the bottom of it. So let me hit play here, and we will wait patiently for my very slow computer to start. Okay, so the issue is waiting patiently. Okay, so the issue is when I look up and down, my guy slides forward and backward. So basically what's happening is you can kind of see it when I'm looking up, my guy tilts forward. When I look down, my guy tilts backward. And because he's tilting, gravity is taking control and it's making him move. So basically what we need to do is the looking up and the looking down, instead of being, let me hit escape here. So instead of being our capsule or our pill leaning forward and backward when we look up and down, we need to actually attach that script to the camera because there's no gravity attached to the camera. So let me show you. And by the way, thank you to Bert. Bert had this problem, and I told him kind of what to do, and he did it. So I'm borrowing all of Bert's stuff. So a little shout out to Bert. Okay, so let's go here. Okay, so what we need to do is this. So we had a script. So we had this script called mouse look. Let's take a look at it let's look at the code. So we have this thing called mouse look, and it has the X and all the Y stuff. It has both looking side to side and up and down, and we attach that to our player. So what we're going to do is we're going to split that up into the X and the Y, and we're going to put the X on the player and the Y on the character. So basically what it's going to look like is this. So we're going to basically make a script called mouse look Y. We're going to copy all the stuff, and here it is. You can look at it. And so we're just going to get rid of all the stuff that is for the looking side, right, and left. And this one's going to get attached to the camera. And then we're going to have one called mouse look X. So again, just copy all of mouse look, paste it in the new script, and you can see we're getting rid of all the Y stuff, right? So we can get rid of anyway, so here it is. So there's the code. And so now let's take a peek at what we do with it. So what we're going to do with it is if we go to our player, what we will do is we will turn off this script called mouse look. Okay, so we're going to uncheck that. We're going to make a script called mouse look X, and we're going to attach mouse look X to the player. And then if you look at the player here, if you look over here at the main camera, you're going to have the mouse look Y turned on here. So all the up and down is going to be on the camera, so gravity doesn't affect it, and then all the looking side to side is going to be on the character. All right, hopefully that helps solve that problem.